Hey, it's Dan from Carbon Method, and I've got something brand new for you. It's cheap, clever, and ridiculously useful, and it's gonna make life in your shop so much easier. Say hello to your new best friends, BenchNuts. BenchNuts are foam standoffs for your shop. Perfect for when you're sanding, finishing, milling, routing, even assembly. You name it, these nuts have so many applications. So let's take a closer look. BenchNuts are made from closed cell foam, so they don't slide even on your dustiest bench. They're soft but firm, giving great support but without scratching. So when you set your workpiece down, it stays put. No drifting, no slipping, just endless gripping. Each bench nut has a hole in the center that's sized perfectly to accept a 1/2-inch dowel, so you can stand them on edge. Link them together and create a whole grid of nuts. That's 2 standoff heights, giving you more versatility and better access under the piece you're working on. Bench nuts come in an 8-pack. We call it a nut stack, and they come ready for a French cleat or any other storage solution. Bench nuts are perfect for glue-ups, giving you access for any clamp in your shop. And the closed cell, non-porous material means wood glue doesn't stick. Check this out. I'm gonna peel right off. It's so satisfying. Do we have any more? Oh. That is just so fun. I could honestly do this all day. How about sanding? Bench nuts provide easy edge access, rock solid stability, a secure grip on your piece, and the vibration dampening, it's included. And next up, milling. Use bench nuts as stickers between boards to allow adequate air movement, keeping your freshly milled stock flat and square. When you're routing, full edge access means you don't even need to clamp the piece. It's not going anywhere. You can run dados or cut out pockets for C-channels, no clamping necessary. When you're making cuts with your track saw, just support each side of the cut with bench nuts. No pinching, no slipping, and finally say goodbye to that 4x8 sheet of pink foam that you've been storing for 5 years. Bench nuts are a great accessory for your hand tools too. Smooth, without clamps or stops. Cabinet and card scrapers, no problem. And my personal favorite, plane pillow mode. Whether you set your plane iron side down or keep it on its edge, there's finally a better way. Set your hand planes right on a pair of bench nuts and keep that iron perfectly aligned, square and sharp. Bench nuts make perfect little plane pillows. And that's just the start. There are so many uses for bench nuts that we haven't even scratched the surface. They'll make working in your shop easier, faster, and just more fun. They're simple, they're clever, and incredibly useful. So head on over to carbonmethod.com and get yourself a nut stack or two. You're gonna love our nuts, I guarantee it.